Hello dear chess friends, my name is Nikolai Yordanov. I am a chess FIDE master and professional chess coach for beginners and intermediate players. Today we continue with the topic Basic Checkmate Patterns 2. Let's start with the first example. The first example, Kotsios mate, white to play. What is the best move here for white? The best move here is Rook g6 check. We have to take the rook. Then Queen g2 check, King f6 and Queen g5 checkmate. This checkmate pattern, one pawn protects our queen and we give a checkmate in the middle of the board. Next example, blind swine checkmate. We use our rooks on the 7th rank, the power of our rooks, and we give a checkmate on the 7th rank. Rook g7 check, King h8, Rook h7 check, King g8, and then the other rook gives a checkmate, Rook g7. Next example, also blind swine checkmate. Black to play. The best move here in that position is Queen g3 check. If King h2, King h1, sorry, Queen h2 checkmate, F takes g3, and now Rook g2 check, King h1, Rook h2 check, King g1, and the other rook on g2 checkmate. The next example is lawnmower mate. This checkmate pattern will give a checkmate with two major pieces, queen or rook or two rooks, and we push enemy king at the edge of the board. Now in that position the best move here is Queen h7 check, King takes on h7, Rook h1, Bishop h4, and Rook takes on h4 checkmate. Now we have one very important checkmate pattern. The next example, h5 checkmate. Usually we give a checkmate on the h5 with our rook, sometimes with our queen. In that position, white to play. The best move here is Rook takes g6 check, Knight g6. Now we sacrifice our queen, h takes g6, and Rook h8 checkmate. Let's move to the next checkmate pattern, Opera's mate. Now this example is from one of the famous games played by Morphy against Duke. I highly recommend to see all the game. White to play. This example is similar like h5 checkmate. We give a check here, we sacrifice our queen, and then Rook d8 checkmate. The next example, Damoyed's mate. We sacrifice our queen and then Rook e8 checkmate. There is no possible squares for the opponent's king. The next checkmate pattern, Morphy's mate. The Morphy's mate, very interesting checkmate. We push enemy's king in the corner. We give a check with our rook. Our rook cuts the line of the opponent's king. The best move here in that position is Queen f6 check. Sorry, it's not check. We want to give a checkmate. Then g takes f6. Now check and checkmate. The next example, Corner's mate. We give a checkmate on the opponent's king in the corner. Now the best move here for white is we sacrifice our queen and then Knight f7 checkmate. Next example, Vukovic's mate. Very interesting checkmate pattern named by international master Vladimir Vukovic, who showed this pattern in his book, The Art of the Attack in Chess. In that position, the best move here for white is bishop g7 check, king g7 only move, rook h7, king f8, rook f7 checkmate. This is the pattern where our knight controls these squares and our rook controls the other squares. The next checkmate pattern, hook mate. Now knight g6 check, king h7, queen g8 check, we sacrifice our queen, then rook e8 check, king f7, rook f8 checkmate. Our pawn protects the knight, our knight protects the rook, our rook protects the pawn. And we control all squares around the opponent's king. The next example, Andersen's mate. Now we give a checkmate on the on the 8th file, on the 8th rank. The best move here is queen h7 check. This example is from the very famous game against Andersen against Zukertort. Then f6 discover check. Now king g8, and now brilliant move, bishop h7 check, rook h3, rook h8 checkmate. I hope that you like this pattern. Next example, I really don't know what's the name of that checkmate, but it's very important to know this pattern. Now the best move here for white is queen h6. We want to give a checkmate on g7, then rook g8, and now knight f3. We want to use our knight against the opponent's king. Queen f8, for example, and now knight g8. Sorry, knight g5. We want queen h7 checkmate. When queen h6, knight f7 checkmate. Our pawn protects this square, g7 square. Next example, Lego's mate. Probably all young people knows this pattern. e4, e5, knight f3, d6, bishop c4, knight c6, knight c3, bishop g4, h3, bishop h5, and now knight e5. Beautiful sacrifice. We sacrifice our queen and bishop d1. That move is a mistake. Now we give a check, bishop f7 check, king e7, and knight d5 checkmate. Now the next example, fool's mate. Checkmate in 2 moves. The quickest mate in chess. g4, e6, f3, queen h4, checkmate. Next example, Blackburn's mate. Blackburn's mate, this checkmate pattern will give a checkmate with 2 bishops and knight. Now the best move here for white is queen h5, then bishop f6 check, knight g5, and it doesn't matter what will be the opponent's move. For example, bishop d8, bishop h7 checkmate. We control all the squares around the opponent's king. Next example, collaboration mate, white to play. If you want to solve the examples by yourself, you can stop the video now The best move here for white is queen e8 check. We sacrifice our queen. After queen e8, bishop f6 checkmate. If king g7, queen g8 checkmate. So this is the pattern with our bishop and our knight will give a checkmate. Next example, two knights mate, we give a checkmate with two knights. Now in that position, very famous checkmate pattern, we sacrifice our queen on h7, then king takes h7, only move, knight f6, we give a double check. When we give a double check, our opponent must move his king somewhere, if it's possible. King h8, now knight g6, checkmate. Beautiful, end of the game. Next example, bombardier's mate. That position, what is the best move here for white? The best move here is rook e6 check. If f takes e6, now we sacrifice our queen on g6, h takes on g6, and now bishop g6 checkmate. Checkmate with two bishops. Very nice checkmate pattern. Now diagonal corridor mate. In that example you can see that we can give a checkmate only with one bishop. How it's possible? How is that possible? The best move here for white is rook h4 check, g takes h4, and bishop e6 checkmate. Next pattern, David and Goliath checkmate. This pattern delivers a checkmate with a pawn. What's the best move here for white here? The best move for white is queen d3. We sacrifice our queen and then f5 checkmate. The opponent's king cannot escape. And the last checkmate pattern is epaulette's checkmate. Now the best move here for white is queen e6 checkmate. So these are all checkmate patterns which you have to know. I hope that if you like my videos, please follow my channel, subscribe my channel to be sure that you're not going to miss my next videos. Have a good day. Bye bye.